And now it's time for the main event. Let's get ready to rumble! Weighing in, coming to you from the red corner, weighing in at 1.9 billion active users, and with a record of 1 billion hours watched every day, more than Netflix and Facebook combined, I give you YouTube! And his opponent, fighting in the blue corner, a very dark place, fear and doubt and traditional business. And you can see the showdown between YouTube, fear and doubt, and traditional business. I am Eric Michael Walter, the Tech Mind, or Eric the Tech, here to talk to you about YouTube and the power and brilliance of online video. So if you didn't know, online video is pretty hot these days, and they say it's only going to get bigger and better. It's just growing more and more, and actually because of the pandemic, they say it's skyrocketed growth like 2 years, which is crazy. So online video is growing, and it is not too late to jump on the bandwagon. Matter of fact, it's just going to keep growing and growing to crazy, ridiculous amounts. Couple of more stats to throw at you. Millennials absolutely love online video. I read something after a quick Google search that like 66% of them prefer, YouTube or some online video platform rather than watching live TV. And I know in my experience asking people, especially the younger generation, lots of people don't watch live TV nowadays. Anyhow, whether you want to take your business online or grow your business, or start a digital marketing business or a digital business of some sort, e-commerce, coaching, whatever it may be, or if you just want to explore your hobby, YouTube is the place for you. It's an amazing platform. It's great. It's the second biggest search engine next to Google. And Google owns YouTube. So when people go to Google and search for specific questions, a lot of times they'll pop up with YouTube video. Actually, almost every time now, it's more and more common. I can't even remember the last time I searched a question and was not popped up with a video. Anyhow, YouTube is huge. The power of YouTube is huge, and the audience is only growing. That's where your audience is. That's where the customers are. More and more people are going to the platform. More and more people are relying on video. Marketing and video ads has the biggest returns of investments. So yeah, come join and see my full YouTube tutorial and learn the best practices, do's and don'ts, and get your online business up and running and going, or start exploring your hobby in a completely new way and sharing with the world what you love and why you love it. Anyhow, my name is Eric Michael Walter, and I'll see you guys there.